Good morning, Unity students, parents, and other subscribers. This is the Unity Digital Connections for Wednesday, April 1st. Have a great day.
Today is a day 6.
Good morning, Unity students and parents. Today is April 1st, which would normally be April Fool's Day, but not the right time. We'll do it a different time. Anyway, not just supposed to be April Fool's Day as April 1st, but it's a day where we've expanded Longfellow and our checklists, including specialists. So the checklist is going to look a little bit different today, and I will take you through that and show you how it works. And other than that, things are pretty similar. You know where to find things, and you'll know. And if you do have a question or if you do get confused, please email us right away. Not a big deal. We can sort you out. We can help you out, both parents and kids, just to make sure it's very similar. But if there's any questions or any concerns, let us know right away. At the bottom of the email, there is a link that goes right to this checklist. It goes right to, we're calling it the hub. But for the day and for each of the days, we'll have that on the bottom of the email. So you can click right there, or you can go to our Unity Digital Connection site and just click on the checklist, and it'll be found there too. The checklist will now look like this. It's going to be called Unity Digital Connections still, and there'll be a date underneath it, and announcements. You'll have your announcements, which you normally watch, but it'll say what day it is. And on a certain day, there are certain classes that you're going to need to do or accomplish the tasks for. So you'll see our order's a little bit different, but it said 6-hour math, and you can find that on Shobi. The learning opportunities, will have those written down, just a really brief thing just to say what you're going to be doing. But you still go to Shobi, you go to the 6-hour math, if you're in my 6-hour math, and read and follow the directions from there. If you're in the 7th hour math, and not the 6-hour math, just skip the 6-hour math, you go to 7th hour math, you go to Shobi, you do the tasks that are listed in there. For language arts, now in our checklist before it said question of the day. Now this is going to be in the language arts. It's still going to be those things, but where it says learning opportunities, that's what it'll tell you to do. But go to Shobi, check the folders just like normal. Social studies, same thing. There's a social studies class folder. You check that. And the first 3, math, the 2 maths, and language arts, so your math and language arts, that's every day. Social studies is going to be on even days, and science is going to be on odd days. And you'll see that, and we'll give more directions on that within Shobi, within your directions. Now on even days, there'll be lists just like this one where it says choir, band, orchestra, and general music. So all music will be on even days. Now, even if you have music on an odd day, you're still doing it this time. So if you have odd day choir, even though it's a day 4 today, you would still do this choir. So the day things, it only shows up, it's every other day. And I'll show you the next day after this. So choir, band, orchestra, general music, there'll be some specific directions or where to find the things. And then you just go to those, and you're on your own for doing those and looking at the directions there and accomplishing those tasks. Art, same thing. And if you have Ms. Zaya or Mrs. Kipe or Mrs. Emmerich, same thing. You follow the directions going to either their Google Classroom or their Shobi site. This is the checklist for today. And as you see, it says April 1st, no fooling, for real. And it says that today's the day 6, which it is. And if you take a look down there, if you're in the 6th hour math, you do that. And you go to the Shobi. That's not quite written in yet, but that's going to be in very soon. In 7th hour math, if you are in 7th, not 6th hour math, but 7th hour math, you'll go there. It says that you'll be watching a video and you're going to complete some IXLs. That's not the full directions. The full directions will be in the Shobi site. You would just go there as you always do. The language arts, you'll go to Shobi and it'll explain what you're doing there. And then the social studies, you go to the social studies class and you do it there. Now, if you are in math with Ms. Schlegel, you are going to go to her Shobi site and that will be just the same place that you'd go to for your classroom work. So you go to that Shobi site and do the assignments that she has listed there. And as you see, as you go down for choir, you'll go to Google Classroom. For band, it's not written in yet, but you'll go to Shobi and Google Docs. Orchestra, the Google Classroom. The general music, either Shobi or the Google Classroom. Art is the Google Classroom, and she's given you the code. And again, Mrs. Kipe and Ms. Emmerich, those will be ones that you find as you go through. Once you're done with the task, please check off the box. There's a box on the side, and just check off the box once you're done. Make sure you're done before you check off the box, though. We do check those at the end of the day. This whole thing is due in by 8 p.m. each day. This is what an odd day schedule will look like. If you see, the maths are the same. It's 6th hour math with me, 7th hour math with Miss Moore, just clicking which one. Miss Bradenberg, just going to the file, just like normal, just into that folder. Science today, which is different, but you click it and you do your task for today for science. And then math with Miss Schlegel again. And then today would be either health with Mr. Stevenson or health with Mr. Lee. Now again, even though it's a day one, it's an odd day. If you have Mr. Stevenson or Mr. Lee on an even day schedule, it doesn't matter. You're doing health assignments only on these days. So even if you're scheduled, don't worry about your schedule right now. If you have health with Mr. Stevenson, that's where you find it. You're going to find it on odd days in the Unity Digital Connections. It may sound a little confusing, but it really isn't, because every day in the morning when you download your checklist or when you look at your checklist, you'll see which classes are going on and you'll know which ones to do. Now, if you don't have Mr. Stevenson for health and if you don't have Mr. Lee for health, you don't do those. If there's a class that you don't have, you don't have to do those. And it's not necessary to check those things off. This is the Unity Digital Connections Shobi site. Yours might look a little bit different because this is mine, but you will go to this just as you have been before to find the checklist. So you click on the checklist and you'll see the one that I just showed you. The daily questions again are there. Just make sure that it says so in the directions. 7th hour math with Miss Moore. That file is there. We just changed the name. Language arts, you'll see if there's an assignment within those. Always doing your reading log. Social studies class still found there, and then the science class is still there. The vlog, you can take a look to see of any of our things. These will be the old announcements that we have or some of the ones that I've been doing with my kids. And make sure by 8 p.m., hopefully way before that, you've accomplished your tasks, check them off, and make sure you hit done so it's in the checklist. We will grade all of your things or score them all during the day, so as you get them done, we'll make comments so you can check back to see if maybe something you need to correct. And hopefully that clears up any questions that you have about the new checklist. Still not very difficult. You just go to the Longfellow Digital Connections and work your way right down. Science and social studies are going to be on different days, but all the tasks and all the directions will be right there. Just for sake of let you know, this little mark right here, Joey and I went kayaking the other day. It was very cold on the water, so we had to be very careful about where we went. But the islands were underwater and there were some branches low, and we got scraped up a little bit by a couple of the branches, but we really had a good time. It was nice. It was good. Have a good day.